Hey, this is Robert, the developer of Chromemote. I just wanted to go over some of the updates that I added in of this last week, the update that was released on February 28th. So the main thing I focused on this week was editing the scroll buttons in the scroll list. On the alternate menu here, there's a list of scroll buttons. Before it was just a finite list, and now I've made it so that you can remove, add, rearrange any of these buttons. So as you can see, you can remove any of them that you don't want. You can move them up and down, you can move them to the top, and it's really easy to add any key code or any app that's available to launch through Chromemote. So you just click it, bam, and you got it added. So other thing that I worked on this week is I realized the D-pad, there was a bug here. So the up arrow was actually coming over into the right arrow, and the same thing on vice versa on the left arrow coming into the bottom. So I fixed that in the code, and I went in and added some guidelines here on the image side just to define the button a little bit better to make it more defined of which direction it's actually going which way. So other than that, a user requested the ability to fling HTML5 videos by right-clicking on them. So I went in and I added in just the normal context menu that's available for Chrome extensions. So just as an example here, anytime there's a standard HTML5 video embedded, you can right-click on it, and there'll be an option to fling the video to the TV. So if I fling it, you can see it starts playing here on my TV over here on the side, and it's the same thing that's in there. Also, for any HTML5 audio files that are embedded, you can right-click on the player and fling it the same way. I went ahead and added that in just because it's available. Okay, and another thing I added this week was an easier way to get to updating the Chromemote extension. It automatically updates. In some cases, it might take a while. You might have to restart Chrome. The way you get directly to it is you right-click on here on the Chrome extension icon at the top, or the Chromemote extension icon, and click on Manage Extensions. And here you'll see at the very top right, there's an option to update extensions now. Click that; it should update it. That's the standard way. I'm added a way inside of Chromemote so that if you open it up and you go to the About page within the Settings menu, there's now an option for check for updates. So this will just basically take you to a page on our website. You can go directly here if you want, chromemote.com/update, and it checks which version's installed, and it'll notify you if you need to install it. And if you want to go ahead and force the reinstall, you can simply just click this and reinstall it. Other than that, this week I added in a sponsor bar here at the bottom. It's just a way that I'm trying to find more ways to generate some income. I really appreciate all the contributions that are out there already. You're coming in, and you guys have made this possible. So if you're interested in leaving a donation, you can click on this button here at the bottom at any time, and you can go to our website at chromemote.com/tipjar. Periodically, I'd like to launch different related content on here, so I'll try to advertise some Google TV apps that I think are really awesome, and possibly some other Google TV devices, and anything I think that's relevant to this area. So that's it for this week. I have a lot of other things planned for this coming week, and I'm trying to push these updates out as quickly as possible. So last thing I want to leave on is if you have any feedback, any suggestions, or any complaints, feel free to contact me. Go to our website at chromemote.com/contact and let me know what you think.